Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Honda CRF450X. This big bore off-roader just arrived in beautiful condition. Electric start. It's got Electron carburetor, Scott's steering dampener, brand new tires. This thing is in beautiful condition. Come on by. Make your big bore off-road dreams come true for only $35.99. We have checks out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.